Here we are at Deal Level Crossing in Kent. We are waiting for the 1700 South Eastern service from Dover Priory to Ramsgate. Lights off. I am filming on my iPod. Three 75627. Three 75627 to Ramsgate by Sandwich, and up they go. Thanks guys, and we'll see you in the next video. I've come across the closed crossing again. Here we are at Deal again. We are waiting for the 1200 South Eastern service from Dover Priory to Ramsgate. New tarmac. I don't know what the units are today. Okay, and it's just pulling out. Three 75629. One person. Three 75629 to Ramsgate, and up they go. Thanks guys, we'll see you in the next video.